how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in a profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and activity section, then what you have to do is simply scroll down and there under for professionals, there you will see the option labeled as business tools and controls. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as switch account type. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as switch to personal account. So here simply tap on it, and after that again tap on switch to personal account to confirm, and that's it. With this, your Instagram account will be back to the personal account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.